issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Caroline County in eastern Maryland, northeastern Talbot County in eastern Maryland, central Queen Anne's County in northeast Maryland until 3:15 p.m. At 2:21 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Matthews and moving north at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Cordova around 2:35 p.m., Queen Anne and Skipton around 2:45 p.m., Lime Mills and Jumptown around 3 p.m., Star around 3:05 p.m., Carville, Centerville and Hope around 3:15 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, large hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6766.